I got Xbox Series X, and the customer want to mod his console. He want to install RGB light on the fan here. Who is better, Extremerate? So I will try to use this kit tools, and as you can see, they have in the box LED kit and remote control, screws, some sticker and wipes. So also they have the manual. Anyway, let's start to do that. And if you like this video, you can buy this part from eXtremeRate.com, and you can try to use Aynax.Tech, the code Aynax.Tech, and you will get some discount. So let's start. Alright, it's time to test. The console is on, and let's try to push the power button. Here you go. It's ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment. If you like to buy this product, please just go to Extremerate and try to use the code Aynax.Tech, the code, and you will get discount.